Okay, you guys, this is the meal for the night. It is steaming. Do you see the steam? This is chicken and broccoli Alfredo. If you're interested on how I made this very quickly, very easily, stay tuned, watch. And I'll see you on the next one. Be blessed, you guys. Today we are making chicken Alfredo. I'm putting a little bell pepper in there, a little onion in there, and then my boy said he wanted some, what he say he wanted? Broccoli. My boy said he wanted some broccoli in there. And we gonna embed this thing with extra cheese for my babies. So I'm just cutting up this onion right now. So when I start doing the chicken, the chicken was seasoned with seasoned salt, black pepper, and garlic salt. I put mostly garlic salt on there because we're gonna do a white sauce on here. Seasoned and cleaned to the best of my ability. And yeah, when I come back from getting Carlos, I'm gonna start cooking. And we're gonna use these noodles here. Gonna use these noodles for the pasta part of it. Okay, gonna need this with this extra packs of cheese, whatever one you like. We get both of them. Chicken, onions, and bell peppers.
So this is the broccoli that I will be using in the fettuccine. This is a big bag for a good price. And yeah, it's $5 at Walmart. Yes, I'm totally in love with this broccoli. It tastes really good.
Carlos is cool.
Okay, it's the same as last time. You put your little oil in here. This time I'm gonna put oil. I don't know what I put last time. I think I put butter, but this time I put oil. And then my chicken is whole, so I'm gonna cut it up while it's in the pot, you know. So let's get this chicken to frying. First, we're trying to get this oil to coat the bottom of this pan. At least coat the bottom of the pan. And then we're gonna wait till the pan get hot a little bit, let the oil bubble just a little bit, and then put the chicken in there. Okay, you can hear it popping. So you can put your chicken in there like that. The whole piece. Like that. Taking it from here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, probably 7 or 8 pieces. And that big old chicken breast. So yeah, we wait till they get to where they don't stick to the bottom of the pan. Wait till they coat themselves like that one. And then I'll start turning in a minute. Once they get like a little done, then I'll start cutting them. But right now I'm just trying to get it cooked. I forgot to show y'all my broccoli. Cut it off and put it baby. Make your booty go. So the chicken has been shredded. I put my onions and my bell pepper in there, and I'm finna put my broccoli in here also. But I gotta let this green pepper cook a little bit more because Carlos don't really like them, but he'll eat them if they soft. So yeah, let me put my broccoli in. In this water bowl, I put a little salt and a little oil. I let it come to a boil, and then I put my noodles in. So yeah, I was listening to a little Beyonce. I can't get copyright anymore, so I had to turn everything down. And I'm just showing you that the broccoli is steaming in the chicken, onions and bell pepper. Okay, I gave the dish a light little stir so everything could combine together before I put my noodles in. And then once my noodles got soft, I put them into the pot also. So I'm gonna give a light little stir again, and then I'm gonna put the Alfredo sauce on everything and combined it. And this was a good meal. We loved it, we enjoyed it. Yeah, and then I'm gonna put my cheese on it also, just to get it a little bit more cheesy. You know, kids love cheese. So yeah, so I'm just gonna give a light little stir so everything could combine right here, and then I'm gonna put my cheese on there. And then Carlos gonna close us out. So enjoy the video, you guys. And as I said in the beginning, be blessed, and we will see you on the next one. Enjoy Carlos with his deep voice. It don't crack. Take your first bite. How you like it? What is
What about?
This is Carlos requested meal.
Last time we had chicken, she didn't put broccoli in it, so I asked her, next time you make this, Mom, can you put broccoli in it? And she was like, yeah. And then here we are.
With the chicken Alfredo and broccoli.
Yeah.
Corny joke of the day.
By Carlos.
Where does a fish work? At the office.
Come on, Carlos, you did it quick. You ain't even